this model question is related with the landforms created by the running water, right? So the question, which of the following is not considered to be a characteristic feature of the youthful stage of an ideal cycle of erosion? It's a not based question, right? So all of the given options, natural levees, plunge pools, deep gorges and waterfalls, all of these options, right, they are landforms created by the running water. And the question is actually, we have to find out which of these options, which of these landforms which are not formed during the youthful stage of erosion. A river is having different stages in its erosional activity, right? When a river is flowing with high velocity, okay, that we call it as youthful stage. For a river to have high velocity, right, the slope should be much steeper. I mean, from upper slope regions, the water will be flowing downward, right? So if the slope is higher, velocity will be higher, right? So actually what water or the running water, it tries to disintegrate the slope regions. So in effect, as time progresses on, a river will be reducing the slope of regions, right? So in youthful stage, due to the difference in slope or the elevation, the river will be in its youthful stage having more running velocity, and as it goes on, the velocity will be reduced. So that's the idea behind youthful stage of erosion and mature and old stage. So during all these stages, the landforms are different, right? Youthful stage will be creating some specific landforms, and in the old or mature stage, some other kinds of landforms will be created by the running water, right? So in this question, let's take a look at each of these landforms. So first of all, let's start with the natural levees. Okay. So when a river is flowing, if there is a tendency for flooding to take place, the water will be spilled over its bank, right? So while that is taking place, on its bank, the larger sediments, the larger pebbles and larger sediments will be deposited over the banks itself, and that we call it as levees. Levee actually tries to contain the water in its own course itself, right? So levees, they are created when flooding is taking place, right? And the other landform, is plunge pool or waterfall. Now during this waterfall, water is flowing from high slope towards a lower slope, right? So due to this difference in elevation, we are having waterfall. So obviously this should be in a youthful stage of erosion, right? Because as time goes on, the waterfall and everything will be eroded away slowly by the running water, right? Next, the plunge pool. Now think about the region where a waterfall is taking place. Directly the water will be falling or will be making impact in these regions, right? So those regions, the larger pebbles will get collected, right? And they will be upgrading the surface there, creating a depression, and that we call it as plunge pool. So simply saying, the plunge pools are regions where the waterfall is making impact, creating depressions, right? So waterfall as well as plunge pool, both of them, they are features of the youthful stage of a river, because as time goes on, this elevation will be degraded off, so that we won't be having any waterfall and we won't be having plunge pool, right? So waterfall and plunge pool, they are the features of youthful stage of erosion. Now this is a picture for a deep gorge, right? Another way in which the river is eroding. Imagine the river is flowing with high velocity, right? The river will be undercutting, in the sense river will be trying to degrade towards the downward direction, right? It will be undercutting. But if river is flowing with less velocity, okay, river will be overspilling, creating floodplains or natural levees. But if a river is flowing with high velocity, it will be undercutting, and we will be able to see these kind of deep gorges, in the sense they are having steep sides which are created by the undercutting of river, right? So among the options, the deep gorge, it's obviously created during the young stage of or youthful stage of erosion, and the waterfall and plunge pool, they are falling from the elevated regions. They are formed during the youthful stage of a river, and the natural levees, they are created when the water is spilling, right? Now when a river is in its old or mature stage, the velocity is less, right? When the velocity of the river is less, it cannot undercut, right? It cannot go towards downward direction. Rather than what it tries to do is try to erode the lateral sides. Both banks of the river will be eroded away, right? At the same time, when flooding is taking place, on these banks, the sediments will be deposited, creating levees and the floodplains. So the floodplains and levees, they are seen towards the old or mature stage of a river, and in the young stage, we will be able to see the plunge pools, deep gorges and waterfall. So since this question is a node based question, right? So which of the following is not considered to be the characteristic feature of the youthful stage of an ideal cycle of erosion? And in that case, the answer comes out as option A, natural levees.